Attention, an alert target has been reached.
Okay, hello everybody. It's Friday, December 28th. Let's look at the markets. Let's first look at the S&P. There's a big rally, big two-day rally from 2320, which also corresponds, if you look at a weekly chart on the S&P, right at the 200 weekly, which is the black line. It rallied from the 2345. So that would have potentially been a good spot to get in, right around the 200 weekly as it recovered it. Traded below it and recovered it. So that would be a good spot to get in. So that's a significant level, 2345. Now, we could look at a daily chart. Let's look at what's significant. This big update, obviously, this historic update on December 26th. The high is 2478. So you could see here, it went down today to 2472 and recovered this high of 2478. So if you're bullish, you'll be buying around the 78 level. If you're bearish, you'll be shorting around the 78 level. This is a significant day, so this high becomes very significant, either acts as support or resistance. Likewise, this big down day on December 23rd, Christmas Day, 2508, is significant. It went above 2508 and it failed. So you could be short on a failure of 2508 or long at 2477, depending on your view. Averages are turned down, 50s below the 200, I'd be leaning short. So you could have been short somewhere around 2505 as it failed 08. And hoping it to come down, retest lows. It's potentially a big trade. Again, we have to define what are significant points. And the two most significant days are this day, December 26th, the high is 2477.75, and this Christmas Day massacre, and the high is 2508. Right where these arrows are. So this line is significant, this line is significant. So that's pretty much on the S&P. Let's take a look at some of our positions. Got the franc. Remember, we recovered this pivot at 99.72. We got long here in December at 1. It's at 102.43, so it looks good. And once it clears this red line over here, it's going to look, this red bar over here, which is 102.67, it's going to look even better. And we're going to hopefully to get up there somewhere around the 110 level. So we got long on the recovery of the pivot. So remember, we're long the franc, and that's a long-term position. Copper, we're still long, still consolidating, still doing nothing. So we're still long right around this level, looking for it to go up. We got long on the weekly, if you remember. And let's bring up copper. On a test of this 200 period weekly moving average. Successful test here, came down here, tested, 2 successful tests, 3 successful tests. We got long somewhere around here, which is where we entered basically. So we're long copper, long the Swiss. Let's see what else is there. We don't have any positions in the euro. Looks like parabolic move up, parabolic move down, broke the trend line. Looks like it's resuming its uptrend, but no positions there. Yen looks like it's broken up a bit. Looks like it's held that trend line over here. Right there, it held this line right here. This trend line looks like it's going up. Don't have a position in that though. Swiss franc, like I mentioned, we have a position. Oil, it's gone down. As everybody knows, it's at 45 bucks. Next major support is right here, right around the 33 level. It may not come down to that, but let's take a look at it when it breaches 40 40 is the next whole number. Some support right here, 37.75. It took off from there. So around 37.75 could be potential support right here, the low of this bar. And this month in August, $38. So we'll wait till it gets down there. Gold flying, 1281. Don't have a position in that. We're already long the Swiss franc, so that's enough. Silver, let's take a look at silver. It's in this downward sloping, lower lows, lower highs. Could be breaking out of a downtrend. Dangerous to buy because people are going to be shorting at this level. So you can see this little triangle. Take a look at the S&P again. You can see it's failing at 2,500 on the 60-minute. Remember, it failed at the top resistance here, so if you're bearish, you see it's right here. It broke. It closed at 25.06, which is a bearish sign at that top resistance point. But we said, remember, it took off from 24.72 to 77.78. So you're either a buyer at 78 or a seller at 25.08. It's in that little range. So, depending on what you like to do. This is the 60-minute 200. You can see it closed below here. It closed above. So it's either going to hold or close below. I do not have a position in it yet. Main positions are the Swiss franc, high-grade copper. We got added natural gas. It was a big trade for us. Made a lot of profit on that. And now we're just seeing what's happening. It's playing between these two lines here. 25.08, 24.77. If you're short, you got to stop at 25.08. If you're long, you got to stop at 24.77. Maybe a few points above. For a short, 25.11, stop 24.74. Okay, that's a wrap for today. Have a good weekend, everybody. Happy New Year.